So now that Thanksgiving is over, let me be the first, if not one of the first, to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you're celebrating, I hope it's happy. So coming up this week, starting on Friday, we have our yearly golf shop sale, and that'll be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So those 3 days, everything in the golf shop, with the exception of golf balls, will be 20% off. So everything in the golf shop, with the exception of golf balls, are 20% off, and that is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now on Saturday, we have our annual golf shop open house. That's from noon to 4 p.m. And there we have some holiday cheers. We have some food, we have some drink, and it's a great time for everybody to kind of share beginning of the holiday season and just kind of get together. So we hope you can make it for that. But again, the sale will be on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Again, 20% off on everything in the golf shop, which is fully stocked, as you'll see on this video, except golf balls. So look forward to seeing you soon. Happy. So seeing that Rhea kind of came into our video, we wanted to bring her in. So Rhea, you want to say anything?
Hey guys, happy holidays from the golf shop.
I think it. Coming up this Saturday, we have our open house. It's our yearly open house. So we are going to put everything we have in the shop on sale. Here's some new hats we just got in. These are from Brandon Bills. Are you naughty? Do you like a tree with a little bit of Country Club Maryland ornaments? Or just someone who wants to say cheers? This is a table chock full of Peter Millar merchandise, and we have a bunch around the shop. So we have pullovers, we have hoodies. Down here we have the Pine hoodie from Peter Millar. We have the Perth pullover. This one's a little bit of a thicker pullover, which is really nice. But we have products, we have belts. We are full of merchandise. So stay tuned for more. So here we have a new addition here. This is a limited edition pair of rocks glasses. Those are $39 with a little case. And then we have limited edition. We only have 24 of these, 12 in this shape, of a Christmas tree ornament. It says 100 years strong. Celebrate our 100 years coming to an end. 100 years of Country Club Maryland. Cool stuff. Here we have a good amount of Dunning. So here's some Dunning pullovers. And we have some with the logos on the sleeves, some of the logos on the chest. We have regular hats. And do we have winter hats? Yes, we have quite a few winter hats. Look up here. We have a whole row of winter hats. So if you're cold, we've got the hats to keep you warm, at least those ears. So quite a few hats. We have some golf shirts. We have travel bags. I think we have 4 or 5 travel bags and stuff. And here's something for those travelers who would like to have the Country Club Maryland logo representing them as they go to far off places. And still a lot more. We have FootJoy. We have Johnny O. We have vests. We have all kinds of things in here. Here's some pants. These are some from Redvinley, and this is a pull-on corduroy pant. This one here is a pull-on chino pant, but these are corduroy. It's a neat piece. And here's something from Imperial. Imperial, they have the big 1925 with the Country Club Maryland logo. We have some in hoodies, and we have some in just a regular pullover. This is a unique piece that we got in, and this one has the Country Club Maryland logo inside the hood. It's got the Anvil logo outside. So we even have sunglasses. We have some head covers. We have snacks. We have sodas. We are chock full of merchandise here in the Country Club of Maryland Golf Shop. If we don't have it, you most likely don't need it.
Just a reminder, everybody, during this holiday season, if you do purchase anything in the golf shop, the professional staff has been gift wrapping boxes. So when you do purchase something and you would like a gift box, please let us know and we'll get all that packed in there for you.
Thank you, Mitch.
My pleasure.
Some Peter Millar vests. This is one of my favorite vests. This is the Essex vest. That is a staple in any man's closet. Here's quite a few more Peter Millar pieces. We have some hoodies. We have the Perth pullover. We have the Sugar Stripe Perth pullover. And then we have some long sleeve shirts here from Peter Millar. And then up here, we've got some more Perth pieces. Here's the Pine hoodie in a little bit of a light blue item. So we have quite a bit. We even have some Peter Millar pants down here. This is my personal pant that I pretty much wear every day. This is called an EB66 from Peter Millar. And then we have some FootJoy. That's a 5-pocket pant. And then back to some golf bags. And obviously we still have these hats in stock. So come on out, check it out. We've got quite a bit of deals. Here we are with one of our finest Bagram employees. This is Don Bittner. Don's been with us for how many years, Don?
7 years.
7 years. So Don is awesome. He works Tuesday and Thursday afternoons. But Don also has a full-time job. And that full-time job is taking him a little bit of a different direction. So he's going to take a leave of absence for a season or maybe 2. So we will definitely see Don back, right?
Yes, sir.
You promise?
I promise.
Anyway, Don, we're going to miss you. We love you and hope to see you around the club a little bit.
Yep. To all the members out there, I appreciate everything you guys done for us. especially the bag room guys. You guys treat us very well, and we respect that. So thanks for everything, and I'll see you soon.
You got it. Thanks, Don.
Yep.